Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I want to give you an update on the Motorola Edge 2022. I've been using it for about 48 hours now, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Yes, I've been using the Motorola Edge 2022 for about 48 hours now, and I just want to give an update on my experience so far with the device and go over a couple things I missed when I was unboxing it. I'm going to talk about the display, I want to talk about the overall build, the price. Let's just get into it. The one thing I still have to try out and test more is the cameras on here. I did take some photos, I might link them up here, of my car, and then also just a random photo. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I think the cameras are gonna be pretty good. I still have to test it out. I wanna do some video samples on it. I might shoot like a 4K video sample tomorrow and upload that in a few days. But I think the cameras will be pretty good. I mean, are they going to be like Pixel 6 Pro good? Or Galaxy S22 Ultra or Z Fold 4 good? Probably not, but I think they're gonna shock some people. But more testing to come. You definitely have to test out the cameras. The next thing, let's talk about the display. I had it outside today, and this is a beautiful panel. It works really good watching YouTube, watching Netflix, but using it in the middle of the day, I was able to see the screen pretty good. It gets really bright, so that's always a good thing. It is an OLED panel, so it produces some really good colors. 1080p, so it's not 2K or anything. The 144 refresh rate makes this thing run smooth. I haven't had any problems, no hiccups. I don't see any hiccups. Even on Twitter, I mean, it runs pretty good. Let's talk about the MediaTek Density 1050 processor. So far, I haven't had any hiccups. It's been working pretty good. No overheating issues, anything like that using the phone. And it's been really good. Battery life, another thing that people was asking about. I wasn't on my phone too much today. I was watching my Saints lose. Man, the Saints look horrible. You lose to the Panthers and it's pretty bad. But I have 60%. I've been on the screen for 3 hours and 7 minutes, which is not too bad. I probably can get a day and a half, maybe even more with this phone. So far it hasn't been bad. I said I wasn't even on my phone that much because after the game, I went and washed my car. So yeah, I wasn't on the phone too much, but the battery life has been really good so far. No major hiccups on that. The only thing I don't like is just the build. The build quality of this phone could be better. It just feels like, I don't know, it feels, I won't say cheap, but it's just not premium like my, say, Galaxy Z Fold 4 or even the Pixel 6a. I think feels better in the hands than this one. I don't know what it is. I think it's just this back. I don't know. It's not horrible now, but I do like how it curves, so it kind of fits in your hands a little bit more. Doesn't have a headphone jack either, but these speakers are pretty good, which I want to show y'all next. Let's do that. Let's test out the speakers. Now, I'm going to play some non-copyrighted music. So it's not horrible. All right, let's play just one of Rob Pouncey's video, RP3 Tech Reviews.
Very simple. It took about 2 minutes to transfer everything over to the eSIM. It was pretty much of a flawless transfer. I haven't had any issues that others may have possibly complained about. But so let's get right to some of the things that I really took note with. The display is beautiful. It works really good in direct sunlight. That 2000 nit screen really has paid off and offers a lot of clarity when you're looking in bright lights.
So what y'all think? The speaker sounds good to me. I mean, for the price of this phone, it's not bad at all. Let's keep it moving. The price. A lot of people are concerned. I hope Motorola makes the decision to keep this at $499, maybe even $449, and then that would be even a better decision. $599, I think it's outpricing it, because for me, I know some people say you could put this against the Pixel 6. I still believe that it will go against the Pixel 6a, but that is just me, and my phone is going off while I'm recording, but I still think this is a good competition for the Pixel 6a. I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all think about it, because if this was $449, it can compete with the Pixel 6a, and I think for $50 more, who knows? What y'all think? Y'all let me know, but I think so. Now, one thing I did not mention in the unboxing, this does have wireless charging, but it also has reverse wireless charging or power share, where you can do, I think it's like 5 amps or 5 watts or something. So it's not going to charge your phone fast, but it should work if I have it turned on. All right, so I didn't have it turned on, so now it's on. Hopefully it works with the iPhone 14. And there you see it. It actually is charging the phone. So yes, it does wireless sharing here on a $499 phone. So I think that's pretty good too. So, and then you get the features that you are known for, Motorola, like all the little gestures on here. It's pretty much stock Android. I'm enjoying it so far. Yes, more testing to come. Also, with Ready For, I'm gonna have to do another video. I said this in my tips video. If y'all didn't see that, go check that video out. Ready For is like Dex, but it's supposed to be better. I use Dex once in a while, but I'm gonna check out Ready For and really get into it, set it up, and definitely see what we can do for it and get it done. I have enjoyed Motorola phones in the past, and I'm really enjoying this one. I need to still game on this phone. I want to test out MediaTek processor, see if you can do some heavy games on it. Also, the 5G works great using it as an everyday phone. So yes, overall, I'm enjoying this so far. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming out on it. Y'all let me know in the comments what are the videos you want to see from me on this device. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Motorola Edge 2022. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.